We are trailing way behind today. It's Friday, which means I get to go meet up with my girlfriend and do coffee, conversate, and work in the same area. Somebody said in my comments the other day when I was trying to sort laundry and talk about football and how I seem to do menial tasks better when someone else is there. Somebody mentioned that's body doubling and that it's an ADHD thing. I wonder. I have wondered, but now I'm really wondering. Anyways, I got that mirror that I talked about. It's right here actually. I got a mirror out from my little mirror stash that I had in the garage, along with that chair pair and a few other little Christmas things for the booth today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go work, and then we're gonna go to the booth. We're gonna price those items that I talked about, and we're gonna add these items in. I feel like I'm forgetting something about the booth. Oh, I don't think I've shared my sales in like 3 days. I'm so sorry. It hasn't been much. For Tuesday, this is where I left off at. Tuesday, I sold one of those place card holders, the little crystal ones, for $4. I think I have one more left. And then on Wednesday, sold a bamboo basket for $4 also. And then yesterday, Tori sold a pair of jeans for $32. So not a ton, $40 in the past couple days, but any sale's a good sale. I'll take it, no problem. Adding the new stuff in, I noticed that a few things have sold. The scholarly guy that I had added right there, he sold. He's not here. The mirror that I had propped up right there must have also sold, which is so funny because I had it tucked back in that corner since the reset, and I move it up here and it sells immediately. So I put the placemats there for now. I think maybe I have another small mirror that I can bring in, but I'm not making that a priority at the moment. I also put the chairs that I brought in right here. So there's one, and then there's two. They're kind of tucked back here, but that's okay. I don't mind if they stay for a little bit. They're so cute. I love the hand-painted detail on them. I put that garland there. I did some Googling, and I'm pretty sure this is a vintage TV rolling cart. And it's just missing the glass pieces that would have gone up top and then on the bottom to make the shelves. But it works as a blanket rack as well, and so I put that there, and I still need something to go there. But this is okay for now while I think about it. I need to investigate my brain and try to remember what all I have that would fit right there. The back side of these doors could be better, but adding that gold oval mirror was, I think, a smart decision. Just adding mirrors in general in tight spaces can make it feel a little bigger. And I like how that looks. I put 68 on it. I think it would make a really great bathroom mirror or a hallway mirror. And then, of course, you know, had to restock the business cards. I still haven't ordered more of those yet. I really need to do that. Like, I need to make it a priority. Something also sold right there where I put that little mirror, but I can't remember what it is. We should just go up and check the front and see what our sales report says. I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting to tell you guys what I've sold. So earlier, we talked about going and looking at the sales, and then I did, and I got distracted, and I forgot to tell you guys what I sold that day. So it was Friday, and it was a vintage wooden mirror with the golden scrolls that was up front for $38, a set of 5 goblets for $36, a red glazed pottery pot for $12, the flower bird ornament for $7, a signed oil painting of an old scholar for $46, which we talked about, the cow postcard that was framed for $7, the 46 U.S. Navy airplane photo in the gold frame for $8. And then yesterday, which was Saturday, 2 scarves for $6 a piece, so $12. The leather St. John's Bay bag for $8. A brown corduroy jacket for $50. A blue cotton sweater for $22. A Wrangler denim jacket for $75, the one that was on the mannequin by the ornaments. Ornament for $6, a bundle of ornaments for $3, 2 plates for $10 a piece, so $20, a button-up shirt for $18, another ornament for $4, 2 ornaments for $8, an ornament for $6, and 2 ornaments for $6. So that was a $238 day. So today's sales, Sunday, December 17th, a black faux leather bag for $7, a leather zip-up jacket for $40, a bundle of ornaments for $3, a silver pear ball ornament for $6, a paper mache ornament for $6, a sugar pear ornament for $7, a gold star ornament for $4, a Maruvian star ornament for $10, a leaves and berry ornament for $16, the Capiz shell apple ornament for $12, another gold paper mache ornament for $6, a gold and white ball ornament hand painted for $10, a caged onion shaped ornament, it's what it says, for $8, a jacket for $65, oh, the woven reeds black basket for $45, a long black tank dress for $20, a quarter button up for $15, ooh, that leather blazer sold for $40, a bundle of ornaments for $3, and another bundle of ornaments for $3. So a $326 day today. So it's been a really good weekend between Friday and Sunday, like a really good weekend. Tori had some good clothing sales in there as well. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.